Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including works such as buildings, roads, bridges, canals, dams, and systems for water supply and sewage treatment. Civil engineers plan, design, and oversee the construction of various structures and infrastructure projects, while ensuring that they are safe, functional, and environmentally friendly. They consider factors such as construction costs, government regulations, environmental impact, and sustainability when working on a project. Responsibilities of civil engineer. The responsibilities of a civil engineer typically include designing, planning, and supervising construction projects, such as buildings, bridges, roads, and water systems, conducting feasibility studies, surveys, and environmental impact assessments, developing construction plans and cost estimates, selecting and overseeing contractors and subcontractors, ensuring that projects comply with relevant codes, regulations, and laws, managing project schedules, budgets, and resources, collaborating with other engineers, architects, and construction professionals, maintaining and updating project records, such as drawings, specifications, and reports, conducting site inspections to monitor construction progress and quality, resolving technical issues that arise during construction. These responsibilities may vary depending on the type of project, the size of the organization, and the level of experience of the civil engineer. Contributions of civil engineer. Civil engineers play a crucial role in designing, building, and maintaining infrastructure and construction projects. Some of the key contributions made by civil engineers include designing and constructing buildings, roads, bridges, tunnels, and other infrastructure projects, planning and overseeing construction projects to ensure that they are completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards, developing and implementing plans for water supply, wastewater treatment, and flood control systems, developing and maintaining transportation systems, including roads, bridges, and public transit systems, developing and implementing sustainable engineering solutions to help reduce the impact of construction and infrastructure projects on the environment, conducting research and development to improve construction materials, techniques, and processes, managing large-scale construction projects, including scheduling, budgeting, and coordinating the work of other professionals and tradespeople, collaborating with other professionals, such as architects, construction managers, and environmental engineers, to ensure that projects are designed and built in a safe, sustainable, and efficient manner. Civil engineers have a significant impact on our communities and the built environment, and their contributions are essential for maintaining and improving our infrastructure.